DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV Weekly News Update. I am Lawolu Favor. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Also click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Of 154, I was left after the attack of Local Custodial Center. And to the state brought from Obaseki because of the fear of attack from them. You are welcome, sir. Before you, sir. The Controller of Operations, Edo State Command.
You are welcome.
Morning, Your Excellency. Open out is 1,008. Open out is 182. But I still copy, sir. Hey,
Go forward.
Yes, I go for Quebec. I know.
Watch your hands.
This is why. Okay, pass me. Pass me. So we are live at Oko Prison with the governor Obaseki, who's evaluating the damage done.
From around 9:30 about 4 hours the fact that no the
So for those of you just connecting, Governor Obaseki live at Oko Prison evaluating the damage done here for prisoners that led to the escape of prisoners. So it's already.
Sorry, sir. Okay, so Your Excellency, you needed to see the other side, where because this one is where the record office ended. There's an entrance into the
let's start. Where do you normally keep them? Where did they? How did they? How did they get them out from where you keep them?
Oh, what happened? Around that 10:30, we have already surrounded the walls with the men, officers and men, and the other officers were with their piece. So when they came to attack,
Who is they now? I mean, where did they come from?
they came to this side. They have been coming from the road. Yes. They were all coming from the road. The first time they launched an attack around that time, and then we tried as best possible to repair them. They went back. So we're thinking that was, although we are still very much on our beat this time, but when they now had that gunshot, because there was there was, yeah, they were even those outside were shouting, and the gunshots and the canisters.
Oh, they came with
Yes,
guns.
yes. No, that first time did not come with gun.
yes.
It didn't come with gun, but the number was much coming to attack. But you know, they have other weapons like cutlass and everything.
People were coming in.
Your Excellency,
Yes.
sir. People were coming in from outside.
Yes.
On the first stage, we resisted them. They went back. The second
No,
second
no. Let's get through the details.
Yes, sir.
People were coming in from that room,
From
right?
outside,
That's
yes.
where they came
Your
from.
Excellency, sir.
Okay, as they approached you, there are barriers. I saw
Yeah,
you check them.
That was the area we were hitting them.
Okay, so you repelled them the first
Yeah.
time. They went back.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they then came back. How many people came back, and how much arms did they come with?
They were a group, yes, sir.
Yes, they regrouped. How many people came in, and how much arms did
No, they couldn't come in then.
They couldn't
They couldn't come in, but that was where our inmates got a raid. We already locked them in their cells. Then they started shaking all the bars, breaking the windows.
Mr. Mayu, just
Yes,
take it
yes, sir.
simple.
Yes.
Let's listen. They came in at 9. They tried to get access.
Yes, no
You
way.
repelled them.
Yes, sir.
They got regrouped.
Yes.
They came back, right?
Yes.
About what time?
By 11:30 again,
They
they
came back
came.
about 11:30.
Yes.
And when they came in at
There was
11,
no way they couldn't. We still repel them.
you repelled them.
Yes.
Okay, so then what happened?
Then at about 1:30,
About 1:30,
when they were not coming this time,
the third group came.
yes,
right?
yes, sir.
How many men, armed men did you have with you?
I have about easy. I want to be exact.
Eze.
Easy.
Eze.
I think after that time we have about
they were able to-
14 of them.
So when they got access,
Yes, we have
Yes.
14 of them.
Yes.
They didn't. Yes, I want to
where
tell
did
what
they
I want
get
to tell you now.
access
Sir.
from? Yeah, that's what
My Your Excellency, as at that time they were now coming with a larger group. These people were already fully armed with assaulted rifles. We cannot. They started firing right from that major road, and that was how they came. And my men too were replying, of course. But at a point, of course, the number of firearms firearms we had, even though got exhausted, and then they were now able to break into the gate at the other side.
Which side? That's what I want to.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
trying to find out how did they break in.
Yes, I will show you that, my Excellency.
So for those of you just connecting, we're live here at Oko prisons, where Governor Obaseki himself is evaluating the damage done to the installation. Okay, this is the gunshot. Okay, so this is the gunshot hitting the one of the main entry points of the Oko prisons. So for those of you just connecting, we're live here at Oko prisons, where Governor Obaseki is evaluating the damage.
The number of people that went in are coming out.
I'm going. Again, for those of you just connecting, we're here live here at the Oko Prisons, evaluating the damage done to the facility, to the correction facility.
This one, are they?
Oh, they didn't shoot anybody there anyway. They didn't shoot anybody. Only one person. Propaganda. Only one person died. Only one person telling you. Only one person. Propaganda. Now only one person died there. They were shooting up. People, somebody got people working on it. They were not sure. Propaganda.
Obviously.
The ration store where they keep their food. Keep their what? Where they keep their food.
No. I'm trying to follow what happened.
So they came in. The inmates were still restless. They were already restless inside the yard. This time around, they have broken all the cells.
The inmates broke the cells before the attack came from outside.
Yes, the best for that time.
So they were ready for people to come
that
in.
was when they now have time to be destroying all these places. The men we have on duty, they empowered.
Was any of your men caught?
Yes, 10 are in the hospital. Though some of them have been discharged now, but some were badly wounded. Those ones are still in the hospital.
Which hospital?
One is supposed to be the central there. One is the military. That one even had a gun injury.
Sorry.
Do you have a list? Are you able to? Do you have a list of all the inmates?
We have all of them, but if you want to stress it, like this one that are remaining now, I can get to the name.
No. The entire inmates you have in custody, do you have the record?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have the list, sir.
No. Their names and you have all of them.
Okay, the
Yes, sir.
ones that are readily here now.
We have. You can't walk away. You didn't have any backup record?
You can even get it from the headquarters because of this.
You file return. So we need to know who has escaped.
Yes, sir. We have it, sir.
Yeah, okay.
The remaining ones we're able to gather. Those ones are the ones now.
How many? And they are mostly shooting fire or
In fact, one of the last ones volunteered yesterday.
So typically, how many people inmates will a facility like this take? You have 158 or 183 here?
Yeah, I have one.
So, from what we can see, not everybody escaped from the prison. You still have some inmates right here at Oko. For those of you just connecting, we're live at Oko prisons. With His Excellency Governor Obaseki.
The walls they broke.
They are left to show you. But, Your Excellency, I don't know whether we can go around like this because there's no good way here.
They are around the area. They can't come to your office. They are around there now. There are no more protesters around you now, right? When was this prison built?
Hey, are you working here? When was this prison built?
Okay, 1 hour.
Hold on, please.
Excuse me.
And then put bottles and everything.
Yeah, the one making those attempts to cut into the wall.
So for those of you just connecting, we're live here at Oko prisons. And His Excellency is here, Governor Obaseki, to evaluate the damage done during the prison break a couple of days ago.
Meanwhile, our men were at the back, so when they make an attempt, they will resist them.
So these are the different places they try to break through at the Oko prisons. Yeah.
Dog at the ass problem, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
No, there's no road here. Definitely no. That's not where we're going to. But this place is bad. There's no. That's why I said we should manage our problem. The only outlet is for that. This or that area. Not the video. That's good for us. Guys, outside.
So thank you guys very much for watching. For those of you who just connected, it's Governor Obaseki is evaluating the damage done at the Oko prisons in Benin City. Thank you very much as this live stream comes to an end.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.